Experts have said the 2022 annual conference of the Boآؤ Forum for Asia provides opportunities against the backdrop of global challenges.
Boآؤ Forum has provided member countries with an opportunity to deliberate and bring together different voices from business, government and academia into finding sustainable solutions to the challenges.
As the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership RCEP Free Trade Agreement entered into force on January 1st, 2022, I believe that the Boآؤ Forum for Asia will explore the opportunities of the RCEP for boosting the Asian economies in the post-pandemic area.
I think the main objective of BOAU was to strengthen interaction and trade integration. So this year is particularly important, I would say, because of the pandemic which started in 2020. So I think this BOAU Forum will be very instrumental in that regard as well, and it will help strengthen the spirit of this year's theme, which is working together for global development and shared future.